You installed Claude Code. Now let's build your first app with it. In this video, you'll create a bookmark dashboard without writing any code yourself. Just plain English prompts. Let's get started.
Quick recap from the last video. Install Claude Code with one line in PowerShell. Log in with your paid Claude account. Then open a terminal in your project folder. Type Claude, and you're ready. Now let's build.
This is the Claude Code session. At the top, you see the version, the model, and your folder. Type your request after the prompt. Use / for commands, exclamation for shell, @ for files, and question mark for help. Press Shift+Tab to cycle permission modes.
Plan mode proposes first, and edits only after you approve.
Step 1. Tell Claude what to build. Create a bookmark dashboard app in this folder using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Claude writes 3 files: index.html, styles.css, and script.js. Approve each edit. 3 files created, just like that.
Step 2. See it in the browser. Double-click index.html. The app opens right away. No server needed. Add your first bookmark with the form. Refresh the page. It's still there, saved in local storage. It works.
Step 3. Add search. Ask Claude for a search box that filters the cards as you type. Type video, and only the video card remains. Clear it, and everything comes back. Live filtering in 1 sentence.
Step 4. Add categories. Claude adds a category field and filter chips to the header. Click Work, and only work links show. Click All to see everything again. Organized in seconds.
Step 5. Dark mode. Click the moon icon and the whole app switches themes. The preference is saved, so it stays dark after refresh. Built-in dark mode from one short prompt.
What if something breaks? Fix it with Claude. A type error? Move the script or wait for the page to load. Storage denied? Run a local server. Port in use? Pick another one, a missing style sheet. Fix the file name. Every error has a quick fix.
You built a real app without writing code. 1. Describe the app. 2. Open it in the browser. 3. Search, categories, and dark mode. Be specific. Make one change at a time. And review before you approve. Happy building.